I'm Trisha Bobita. I'm a producer at WBEZ Chicago Public Media and the co-host of the Nerdette podcast, where we talk about everything that's nerdy. And so today I was here for the STEMfest 2014's Energy Slam. We had 4 Argonne scientists here. Some of the smartest researchers of anywhere in the world were here today, each making the case for a different form of renewable energy. We talked about bioenergy, nuclear energy, wind, and solar.
Hi, I'm Seth. And I'm going to be telling you about solar, but actually all the other folks are pretty much going to be telling you about solar energy too, because almost every energy source we use is actually solar energy in disguise. So in the year 2050, we're going to be using about twice as much energy as we're using today. So today it's 18 terawatts, and in the year 2050, it's going to be 30 terawatts. So it's going to be almost twice what we're using today. And the question is, where are we going to get almost twice as much energy as we're using today? So the amount of solar energy we can actually get is more than 2 times larger than the total projected worldwide energy demand all the way in the year 2050. This is basically an inexhaustible energy source. And so now the question is, why are we not using more solar energy today? And most people would say, well, it's because it's too expensive. But what a lot of people don't realize is the cost of solar energy have been dropping dramatically, and there are already places today where solar energy is cheaper than the energy that's on the grid that you pay on your electric bill.
I have a question for the kids. How many of you guys want to be scientists or engineers? All right, you guys are ahead of the curve. My name is JTia Taylor, and I am an engineer at Argonne National Laboratories. I am going to start by telling you about nuclear energy and how nuclear energy actually produces power. In this fission reaction, you get thousands of times more energy than you will get out of these other energy sources. As the need for clean energy grows globally, nuclear energy provides a reliable and efficient option for power that has near zero emissions.
So what makes wind power different from the others? First, we don't have any pollution. We also don't have any waste, zero waste, not just small amounts of waste, but zero waste. So there's huge amounts of wind available to us. In fact, there's so much wind in the country that we could have cover all of our needs right now 13 times over. So I hope I've been able to sell you on wind power. It's an amazing resource. It's a growing resource. It's a resource that creates domestic jobs. It's a clean resource, no accidents, no waste, no pollution. We have driven down costs by about 80% over the last 25 years. And with this, we make wind power now economic in many locations in the country.
So first of all, what is renewable bioenergy? Bioenergy is energy that you take from biomass. Do you know what biomass is? It's every organic material that you can find, possibly. Agricultural residues, waste, dedicated energy crops. It is used to make electricity. It is also used for power and for liquid transportation fuels, which are biofuels. My colleagues before did a fantastic job in talking about the benefits of their particular energy source, but they have not shown me how they can power an airplane. The more you go with these advanced biofuels, the better we do with greenhouse gases and therefore with the mitigation of or addressing the climate change.
And there was a trophy at stake, and the winner today was JTia Taylor, and talking about nuclear energy. But all of these energy sources are vital for our future, so we're excited that people were learning about them here today at STEMfest 2014.